Hi Unicorn fans, today we're at Target so we can get the rest of the ingredients for the Valentine's Day slime. Before we get started, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Today we're going to be making some Valentine's Day fluffy slime. These are the ingredients. Some white glue, shaving cream, some googly eyes, food coloring, and contact solution.
You're also going to need a mixing bowl, some cornstarch, and baking soda. We also have a spatula. Look, it's red for Valentine's Day. Aww.
Now we're going to pour the glue in.
Oh, hold on. This requires some muscle. Let me handle it.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, little buddy?
Okay. The next step is to put your food coloring in. Open my pink cap up. You can put 4 drops in. 2, 3, 4. You push it up, Jesse?
Oh, you push it up?
Yeah. To open it. So,
4?
Yes, that's how it looks when you're done putting it in. Now you want to mix it. Now let's put your shaving cream in.
Okay.
Oh.
Does anybody have a razor? Oh, in the slime?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Needs to be shaken more.
Shake, 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 shake.
Oh man, that's turning like beautiful. Beautiful.
Turning fluffy?
Yeah. Turning fluffy, like fluffy slime.
Like marshmallow fluff. So we just need to add some more shaving cream to get the right texture. So we're just gonna mix it in now.
I need to add more in mine.
Add some more.
So fluffy. Mix, mix, mix it in. Oh, good, I got more mixed in.
So if you want to make your slime stretchier, you can add a tablespoon of cornstarch and a teaspoon of baking soda.
We're gonna add the contact solution to activate the slime. I'm gonna put it until it activates the slime. Here you go, Jesse. Put a little bit of add time in there. Mine's already activated. We hit the bowl with the contact solution. Put a little bit more in mine. Definitely more. Close the cap for now. Mix it in, mix it in, mix it in, mix it in.
So now as you can see, it's starting to turn into slime.
Whoa!
So you're turning into slime?
Yeah, it is. See? It's a lot
Like
of
that?
slime. Oh yeah, you have a lot more than I do. My slime my slime is overflowing. You want to keep adding contact solution until it doesn't stick anymore.
I'm gonna add a little bit more to mine. So it's not as sticky.
I think I might need a little bit more too.
Go ahead.
Just like a tiny bit. Like that much. Not even a lot. Oh, my bowl almost fell. As you can see, it's really fluffy inside my bowl. I'm gonna keep on mixing it.
Oh.
Oh, looks like a volcano.
Golly.
Oh, great. Oh, that's actually not sticky. Not sticky that much. It has turned into slime now. And we're going to take it out of the bowl. And now we're going to start kneading it with our hands. now we're gonna start adding your googly eyes in. So I'm gonna make like a little hole in it. Put just a little bit at a time.
Golly, it's a whole ton of googly eyes.
I'm gonna flip it over again. Now squish. Oh man, I felt that. I felt that. There it is. There it is.
Oh, just crumple it up in there.
Yeah, that's what I did. Now, oh, one fell. I'm gonna pull the whole thing in there now.
The whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing. Whole thing.
If you insist.
That last one's not going in. There. I saw one that there was a. Yes, there it is.
So as you can see, we have a Valentine's monster right here.
I want to do something. Wait.
There's an eye sticking out.
Is the eye sticking? Oh yeah. Let's see if I can find one of my eyes. They're all mixed in together.
There are a few eyes on the outside.
Found it. It's the hugest one I can find. It feels really good. Whenever you stretch it like that, you can actually feel the googly eyes inside of it. Oh, and sometimes they fall out, but that's okay. Put them back in.
It feels kind of like a big cloud or like a marshmallow or something.
Yeah. The googly eyes keep on falling out.
I know.
But it still feels really good. Whenever you stretch it a lot, like you can feel so many of them inside.
I think the hardest part about making the slime is all the mixing. So be sure to do your push-ups before you try to make some slime like this.
Aw, look, a necklace. It was really fun making this Valentine's Day slime. It was also really easy to make and fun to play with.
The only hard part was the stirring.
I hope you enjoyed this video and make your own Valentine's Day slime. Happy Valentine's Day. Until next video,
Bye.